Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to uppercase all the text in your Google Sheet on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to uppercase all the text by using formula on your Google Sheets on your mobile phone. So for that, first of all, I just need to enter the formula. So double tap on any cell and just click on the symbol option. Just select equal symbol first. Then you just need to type as upper, UPPER. You can find the tabs here, the pop-up tabs, which is actually showing the formula. So just click on the upper. Now it's asking us to select the text. You just need to change this to upper. So I just selecting this text like Tech Made Me Unique, my channel name, in 4 different cells, and click on OK. So now you have this option called autofill. Click on this. It automatically autofill the same formula on every cell. So this is how we just change the lowercase text to the uppercase text on your Google Sheets on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in the next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.